I got an awesome new item for you today. This is an Auge light desk lamp. This light can be used for many different occasions. You can use this in your bedroom, in your office. I'm actually going to use this as a background light for my videos. Let's see what's all included. Oh, nice. It comes in this nice package box. It comes with some instructions. Comes with a power cord. Comes with a cleaning cloth, and then you have the light itself. It comes in this nice carrying bag. It's a really cool feature. And there's the light. Awesome quality light. This light contains a magnetic flexible filament. This filament has hundreds of mini LEDs in it that light it up. And it has 3 brightness modes. I really like this mode right here. This is the breathing mode. So my favorite feature about this light is you can shake it and you can change how the filament looks inside the light. And if you want to reset it, if you don't like that shape, all you gotta do is turn it upside down. Just like that. So on the front of the light is touch control. You just press the button for the 3 different modes. And on the back, you have your charging port on the back. This light is also rechargeable and cordless and has a built-in 3000 milliamp hour battery life for a long lasting light. This light has a transparent body shell and it's also sturdy. It's made from polycarbonate material and it's also light. It's very light, very easy to travel with. Let's take a closer look. I highly recommend this light. I had a lot of fun using this. My favorite feature is its versatility. I could move this light very easily around from room to room and set the mood. Check it out.